Windows 11 24H2 might be slowing down your system without you even noticing. Yes, you heard that right. Recent reports suggest that the latest Windows update could be secretly throttling your PC's performance, especially when you're not actively using it. Imagine this. You're running a high-end Intel Ultra 9 285K system, and everything seems fine until you minimize an application. Suddenly, your CPU enters a power-saving mode, aggressively downclocking, and reducing performance to a crawl. This issue was first spotted by a user on an Osrock system, who confirmed the problem using benchmarks like Prime 95 and 7-Zip. The results? A significant drop in CPU usage and clock speeds when apps are minimized or out of focus. Surprisingly, this issue doesn't seem to affect older Intel i9-12900K or AMD Ryzen 9 9950X systems, even though the latter isn't officially supported by Windows 11 24H2. This raises questions about Microsoft's optimization for newer hardware. And this isn't the first time Windows 11 has been accused of hamstringing performance. Similar reports surfaced back in September, highlighting inconsistent behavior across devices. Could this explain the recent Passmark findings predicting a CPU performance slowdown by 2025? It's definitely something to think about if you're using Windows 11 24H2, especially on newer hardware. Keep an eye on your system's performance and stay updated on potential fixes. For more tech insights, tips, and updates, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.